Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a quick and easy Halloween makeup tutorial. So I've tried to do just a half face of a sugar skull. Really great for if you like come home from work and then have to go out for a Halloween party or something. So you can keep your everyday makeup on and then just put this on over the top so there's no time wasted in getting ready. Yeah, if you want to see how I completed this look, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so first up I'm just taking a black eyeliner and slowly carving out where I want the eye socket to be and just running over that a few times to make that a little bit darker. Then I'm going to be taking some black eyeshadow. I'm using the Napoleon Purtis black eyeshadow and I'm just using the brush that it came with just to slowly pack on colour. So I'm just going to do that around where I've drawn the circle and then slowly start blending that in. And then I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that purple shade and pack that all over my eyelid as I want this to be a gradient between the black and then fade into the purple. I'll just switch between the black and the purple shade to start deepening that up and then blending them together with a big fluffy blending brush. You can never blend too much. And then I'm going to start doing the little flower petal things around the eye. First I tried using the Napoleon Purtis liquid eyeliner, but it didn't really work that well for me, so I changed just to use the Clinique eyeliner again. I wanted them to be a little bit thinner, but it still gave the effect that I was after, and it was really quick and easy, so better if you're in a hurry as well. But then I'm going to switch back to that Napoleon gel pot eyeliner and just draw like a spider web on my forehead. So I just do 3 straight lines and then between the two I just slowly curve them to give that web effect. And then I'm just going in with some white eyeliner. I'm using the one by the Sephora brand and I'm just going to fill in every second one of those petals, or I don't know what to call them. Yeah, petals, just to give a little bit of variation. And then I'm going to use that same Napoleon Purtis gel eyeliner and then sculpt out the bones of the nose. And then I'm just using a light pink everyday lipstick on the normal side of my face and then going in with a slightly darker one on the skull side of my face. And then I'm going to sculpt out my cheekbones just very lightly with that gel eyeliner again. And then use the same eyeliner and just sculpt out where the teeth are. This doesn't have to be very precise. I found that just doing straight lines gave it a good enough effect. They weren't perfect, but they still looked like, they still looked the part anyway. And then I'm just going to go in with that black eyeshadow again, just to give a little bit more dimension around that mouth area. And then bringing it up underneath the cheekbone as well. And then I'm going in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow and just painting that purple shade over where I put the purple eyeshadow. And then just creating my bottom lashes with the Clinique High Length mascara. And now I've just grabbed some stick-on diamantes and I'm just going to place one in every second petal just to make it a little bit more glam and a little bit more dramatic. And then just warming up my face with the Rimmel bronzer and then contouring my cheekbones with the Hoola by Benefit bronzer and then also highlighting. Then I'm just going to pop on some fake lashes. These are the Napoleon Purtis Mink eyelashes just to complete the look. And of course a little bit of inner corner highlight.
Okay guys, so that is the completed look. I really hope that you've enjoyed